Working with non-native formats in 3ds Max just got simpler and more intuitive. Introducing Smart Merge Mode in Connector, designed to streamline how assets enter your scene. With support for more than 40 non-native formats, including FBX, USD, Material X, and many others, Connector now extends its powerful merge, place, and replace workflows far beyond native Max files. Simply enable Smart Merge Mode in the Connector toolbar and drag assets directly from your library into your scene. Connector bridges the gap between native and non-native assets, allowing you to work with both through a single, consistent workflow. Prefer clicks over dragging? The new context menu provides access to 3ds Max commands, enabling fast and precise asset placement directly from Connector. Need access to import settings? No problem. You can choose whether to display the format-specific import dialog before the merge process continues, giving you full control whenever you need it. Whether you're working with CAD data, scanned environments, or the latest open standards, Smart Merge Mode keeps your workflow consistent, efficient, and uninterrupted. Download Connector and try the new 3ds Max integration today.